up, trappers? Check it out, man. We are out here at an undisclosed location near Argos, Indiana. Check it out, guys. I got a driveway full of diesel trucks, a Hellcat. Check it out. Down here, all kinds of trucks. Johnny and the Journey gang, he's with us, and we brought the Charger, guys. Look at this. When I pulled up, I laid a nice long posse. But we are here for Burnouts with Alysen. We are here with Aaron and Miranda Hunsberger, guys. They're throwing this. So here in just a few minutes, guys, we're gonna get all these trucks here lined up and the heli. We're gonna get on this road and we're gonna lay some posies and some rubber for Alysen. So we will see you guys here in just a minute. We got a driveway full. We got one coming up the road here, but this is Ben. I don't know how the hell to say his last name, man, but he's got the Blazer out here. Check us out, man. He's reworked this thing and worked this thing so many times, and he just keeps it going, keeps it running. So much stuff done to this thing. Check him out. You know he's got it lifted. He got the big wheels on here. Check out the front. He's got his monster. Look at this thing, and he's got it lit up. You see him, guys. Damn, he got the spare tire in the rack back here. Wayne got the heli. There's a big old, I don't know what this hell this is, man. A Cummins, right? Man, got him a Stacking Jack logo up there. You see him? And he got the heli. You know this thing's about to burn him up. And Wayne, he ain't shy about it. You already know. This is what, a Power Stroke? Yeah, it's a Ford truck, big one. Tony Morris out here in the Rizam. Check him out. He got his Cummins. Woo! Tony looking good, lit. Got the green popping. Damn. Oh look, he got his burnout wheels on here, guys. He didn't want to toast his good ones. I don't blame him. I'd have done the same thing. Tony looking clean and sharp out here. He got him some lights down here on his fogs. Woo, check him out. He got him 2 big old light bars in the front. You see him? Listen to him. Damn. Yeah, got his big old burnout tires on here. We got another big one right here. Damn, they got their burnout tires on here too, it looks like. Yeah, they do. Check him out. This is a Chevy truck, a Duramax or something. There's Johnny and the Journey gang. What up, Johnny Mang? Yeah, check him out, guys. Yeah. Damn, he got all kind of stickers on that thing. And you know, Aaron, he got this thing. This thing got train horns, everything, dude. I love the horn on this. It makes my day. Ooh, check that one out back there too, man. He got the lights on it. He come by in the house the other day. But look at this, guys. Right here. Check him out. Check out his horn setup. Nasty crazy. I think he's on 2 compressors now. They're down in here. He got him on 2 compressors in the flatbed. You see him? Woo! And those horns are crazy, man. Crazy, crazy. I'm sure he'll be honking them. We'll get to hear him. We'll get to hear him. So, yeah. That's what we're out here doing. The other driveway. Let's see if I can flip this around. The driveway is all the way down there, guys. We're not going to walk down there until this time. So, we'll check out those trucks as they come at us, guys. But that's what it is. That's what we're doing. We will see you all in a minute. Burnouts for Alysen. Yeah. Damn, Tony said blow him off. Check him out. Much noise as it was smoke. Yeah. Let's go. Light go. Let's hit them horns, man. Yeah. Here she goes, here she goes. Get him, girl. Oh, she mad. Yeah, he was grinning like. Get it, girl. Yeah, baby. To get used to it. You freezing to death, Johnny?
Just a little bit.
Damn, Brittany out here freezing to death too. Yeah.
I'll show you how this is done, bro.
I gotta get this.
All right, Wayne, I'm gonna get down here. You might want to come down here. This is gonna be good. Hit it. Yeah, no, that was a good shot. Yeah, he got it that time. Damn, look at this. They caught the whole field on fire, what it looked like. All right, guys, that's what it is. We are freezing to death, even through my gloves. My hands are like ice. Johnny in the journey, he's getting out of here. Everybody did the burnouts. Guys, that's what it is. That's what we're doing. Burnouts for Alysen. Keep on trapping. Cold. Woohoo. Check him out.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.